you lucky? Yes, the one I got, they really are the best. Now I feel like I can see you bitches is depressed. I am not afraid to finally say you in my chest. Lost a little weight, but I ain't never lost a tushy. Looking good, but now my bald head messy. Looking good, but now they all saying that I'm ugly. Woo, my nigga, I ain't sad, you a fuck. I'm sad that you really thought your ass was a monkey. You're lucky, cause I just paid you bail with a week out. I just made your money pile, knee high. I just made your stats speak, now you got a good check. Now you can afford to go and reinstall a new way. Now you can afford to not be lousy going through shit. Talking shit about me, I can easily disprove it. It's stupid, you follow me, but you don't get it.